Wind blows in, I hold my color. Quiet sorrow, it asserts. Hold me close now through the winter, 'cause the frostbite always hurts. Icicles strip down our shelter. Will we make it through the cold? The fire spits out glowing embers, twigs and logs, the warmth was gold. The snow falls down, the clothes to ground, and all I know is I love you. Another week, another dollar. Can you take me for my work? By next fall I'll be a father. Oh, it's such a crazy world. Thoughts about the springtime